Hi guys, let's see how to make someone admin of your WhatsApp group. So let's say this is your group. Now tap on your group name and go to the section where all the members are listed. Now in front of, to the right of every member, there is an icon. Tap on it and this context menu will appear. Now tap on make group admin. Okay, and that person will become admin of that group. Okay, that's it. If that person is not here, you can add that person first and then make him the admin. Okay, so let's say you are adding a person. Okay, let's add a person to the group. Now once that person has been added, now again tap on it and make that person group admin. Thanks for watching.